Hi! In front of me is HONOR X8, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, you need to open the Gallery app. Then click on Photos category at the bottom left corner. Hold one of your pictures that you wish to delete. And to select multiple, click on the chosen ones or tap on this icon at the top right corner. Then select Delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete your photos from albums though, you need to click on one of them, like Screenshot, hold the photo, but this time tap on Select All at the bottom. Then click on Delete next to Create and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!